Hey guys, Jason here. In this session I'm going to take you out for my first paddle in the Viking Profish 400. The conditions out here at Stanmore Bay are classic Hauraki golf, short, choppy, windy, messy stuff, which is a great chance to try out this Profish 400. I'll catch a few little waves and see how this thing tracks. And I'll be filming it on my GoPro cameras. I'll have one mounted into the various starports on this kayak, and I'll have one on the head, so I'll catch all the action and that'll be fun to edit later. And so ends my first session in the Profish 400. Thanks for coming along, and next time hopefully we'll go and take it for a fish here in the shallows, see if we can't catch a few snapper at the change of light. See you again. If you want to find out more about the Viking Profish 400, check out vikingkayaks.co.nz. Thanks for watching.